Hi there, in this video I will show you how to download Rufus for Windows 11. Rufus is a great tool that lets you create bootable USB drives for Windows and Linux operating systems. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open your browser and go to the official Rufus website. Now on the Rufus website, scroll down and press on the download button. And wait for the download. Now once the download is complete, go and check for your downloads folder. The executable file should be called Rufus 3.17.exe or something similar. Double click on the Rufus executable file and you might be asked about the administration privilege, so press yes. And you will be asked again, so press yes and no voice. It's an update. So voila, we are done. Here you can see the Rufus has been successfully installed. Now you can put your Linux into your USB or into your hard disk. Thanks for watching and see you later.